Okay, so this video now is going to be working on foam roller for your calves. Okay, so the lower part of your leg just below the knee and at the back. So that's what we're going to be working on in this. So you see a lot of videos on YouTube and they're rolling up and down with the calves. Chances are it looks a bit like this. Okay, the problem is it's exhausting, it's really tough on the shoulders. You're probably going to do this before you go and do something else, or you're doing it after a workout. So you want to make this as easy as possible and as comfortable as possible. So the way I tend to recommend is getting your foam roller. If you think about breaking the calf up into separate areas, so you're looking just a few inches at a time. So we're going to start off right at the very bottom towards the Achilles. I'm going to place the leg on top of the foam roller. I'm actually going to use the opposite foot to actually apply a bit of pressure, and then from there all we're going to do is just move up and down those couple of inches. So with this, all I'm doing is just relaxing back onto my arms, and if you've got a sofa you can use against the back of the sofa, and it's the top leg that's actually applying the pressure. So I'm working up and down the actual calf itself. So again, moving this way with the fibres. And what happens from there is that we're looking at just warming the muscles up, okay? I'm also, if you notice, I'm actually moving the leg side to side. So I'm actually working all the way on the outside, all the way on the inside as well. Once you've warmed it up, what you'll probably find as well is there's a few areas where they're a bit more tender than others, or it just feels a little bit more restricted. What you want to do is actually work on those areas a little bit more. And while you're there, so I've got a bit here, and what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to just apply a bit more pressure, and I'm actually going to go side to side with my leg to work through that. And then I'm going to give it a little bit more of a roll, and then I'm going to find another bit, and I'm going to do the same again. So I've got a bit there as well. The other thing I am going to do is again apply a bit more pressure, excuse the dirty feet, apply a bit of pressure, and you're actually moving, I'm not sure if you can see that, you're actually moving the ankle up and down and side to side and around. So I've got pressure applied first, and then I'm moving the ankle, so it means that you don't have to move the leg all the time. If you keep that pressure on in certain spots, you can again move the ankle, move the foot, and it will actually get to a little bit better there as well. And again, what you can do is move the roller up a little bit more. Again, work on those couple of inches up and down and see where you need it then. Main spots for calf tend to be right at the very top of the area or right at the very bottom. Make sure again you come in to the outside as well. So on the outside, on the inside, everybody's very individual, so it's whatever you need with this. So work through it all, see what you need. So again, you're working up and down the muscle just to warm it up and find out where there's things that might need a little bit more attention. Then you can go side to side, and you can also move the foot as well just to get a little bit more. So guys, that's your video on foam rolling your calf muscles. Enjoy, speak to you soon. Bye.